I remember when I first started riding, it was hell. And I was like, why the hell me go take up bike? Alright, back. So I remember when I first started riding, it was hell. And I was like, yo, me I say, yo, why the hell me go take up bike? I love bike, you know, but when me start riding, I say, yo, why me go take up bike? The streets are unforgiving, they still are. Don't take that as a joke. Because if you don't know the road code and if you don't know what to do at certain times, yo, me I tell you, you get left a road. So riding in this country is really awesome, man. It's nice. Nice, man. You see them corner here? Oh, ridiculous. Oh, God, man. Jamaica land we love. Alright, what's the no bicycle, man? Watch yourself, boy. Oh, I know. Yes, then. What the hell? What the wedding bomb, buddy? Yeah, man, of them things because we have really bad roads, so the driver, the man, them have to swing, you see it. And go too proper. Yeah, go on, man. Front here. Me done. Yeah, man. Yo, God no, I don't have no much to talk about. I don't know what to talk about. Because it's really not the norm for me to talk and ride, you know. But, yeah, man, it's really a good experience. You see, like, you know, like, riding a bike make me feel like, yo, I have a superpower. Easy back of the car and thing. This is not a car, this is a bus actually. Or what you call it? A truck? Yes. You can't really see around him, so I go easy myself until I can see. You just go up there, you see me up there. Without fear. Yeah, man. Pothole is the next thing. Everywhere going to Jamaica there is a pothole. Except for maybe places like the tourist area and them places there. You see it? That's why. Government tend to fix the road down there and things. Because you know they don't want the tourists to see them sitting there. Everywhere going to this country, potholes there. So, enough of the rider them in Jamaica. No matter how skinny you be, they must slap one and two pothole and bend up their ring. Yo, the first, I buy the bike, I bought this bike on a Friday. And I ride go work the Sunday after. Rotted job. Ride go work. The rim that man, bend up, front rim get a rotted slam. Now one pothole. I wasn't transporting myself on a bike for so long. So basically, But yeah, me I tell her say, yo, go back the Friday. Bicycle money for that. Man, I look for me a fat. How did I eat that bike one? Oh, up on the max here. Look at that, that is so nice. Look at that, bro. Oh shit, I'm not like the breeze kind of take me off course. Oh, see them. What may I tell you, say, yo, I'm about to block now on Friday and Sunday ring pen up. Friday car road and ring pen up to we just park it. We just park it, see. Thing. You see that big patrol there while I'm like, you just jump into that one. Woo! The life born to frig up. Oh, traffic up on the road and walk on down here. So El Capos them now them here now. It's like traffic like this now, you have to be very careful, you know, because people tend to come out of the line. You see me? If they make a quick right turn and you that, you know, yeah, I tell them, man. So you have to kind of be aware and things. Yo, me really just talk about some random stuff here, yeah. I'm not showing you the scenery and things, you see it? You go check that thing. So what no police are down the road? When police are always there down here. You just can't bother with the police them right now, you just see it. And you're on a mission. Alright. Boom bang, boom bang, boom bang. Once you reach me, I know you drop your bike in a second gear. You just take time paddle your way through the traffic. Oh, you see it. But I drive too close to them coconut area, you know, you see me? Oh shit, what's that? Oh my god. Okay, well done. Yeah man, a be a construction I go on down here. Oh shit. Oh. Don't get distracted by these beautiful ladies, you know? Nah, like, I'm a easy ride bike. Enough near miss me have just because me a stay upon girl, you see it? Let me tell you something. Don't make girl make you crash in a people's vehicle, yeah? Cause no, them a fix it, are you? Right down there, so I go and thing, you see me? And I come steer from the bike. And man, I love the bike, you know. Everybody love the bike now. Shut. Where's for the entrance to the place again? I think what entrance is down here, so I don't have to the exit though. I don't have to the exit. Shut up and go through. You're that long time, you know, come here, China. That was the first year. Woo! Yeah, me done. Oh, JC. Hey, JC.